Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TKMaths A1. In this video, we will solve an integration question where partial fraction will be involved, and it is a part of the syllabus of A Level Mathematics P3. So question is in front of you. First of all, we are applying the concept of partial fraction. So I have solved this question just to make it as quick as possible. I have already made 5-6 videos on it. So this is at the request of a student, so I thought why not put it for everyone. So you can see here the form of the partial fraction was given to you. So after that I have taken an LCM and I have applied the method of comparing the coefficient. You can go for the method of substitution, and since there are three unknowns A, B and C, if you will go for the method of substitution, you will take any three value to substitute in place of x. Anyway, so I have expanded the numerator and then I rearranged it because on the left hand side I have constant x power 1 term and x power 2 terms. So in the same manner I have rearranged on the right hand side. This is constant without x, this is coefficient of x, and this is coefficient of x square. So 12 will be compared with 4a plus 2c. 8 will be compared with 2b minus c, and minus 1, because the coefficient of x square is minus 1, it will be compared with a minus b. So exactly this what I am doing here, you can see, and then I am dividing it by 2 to simplify it. It's better you simplify equations when you have to solve them simultaneously. Then when I compare the coefficient of x power 1, this is the equation, and in place of c I am substituting this value here. You can see that. So at the end I got the equation in terms of a and b. Then in the last I am taking the coefficient of x square, minus 1 equals to a minus b. Then I have solved this equation and this equation simultaneously and got the value of a. Right. So this value, basically a value, I am plugging in here. You can see here. So I simplified and got a is equals to 3. Now this a, if you substitute here back in equation number 2, so you will get the value of b, which is 4. And then I'm using equation 1 again, which I got in the first case here when I substituted, compared the coefficient of constant. So I'm substituting the value of a here and got c0. So I found the value of ABC, which I plugged in here. So I got my partial fraction. Now the second part of the question was saying integrate it with the limit 0 to 1. And you have to bring this form ln 25 upon 2. So these are two terms. From here we have gotten partial fraction. So now I'm integrating it. I have written it separately. Now you need to understand one thing here. I have taken 3 out from here because 3 is a multiplier. Now why did I write this minus 1 here? If you remember the rule I explained to you earlier, when you have algebraic fraction such that the differentiation of the denominator is present in the numerator, then the integration of such function will be ln f of x, which is denominator. So in this case, if you differentiate 2 minus x, differentiate, right? Answer is what? Minus 1. So here I wanted to bring minus 1 in the numerator so that I can apply this concept. So to write minus here, I have to write minus outside because minus multiplied by minus will become plus and question will be same as it was earlier. So now once I have satisfied this situation, then I will simply write here in place of this integration ln 2 minus x because of this formula, and minus 3 is there. Similarly, in the second term of the integration, let me clean the board a bit so you will understand better. Okay, so now when I'm integrating it, if I differentiate the denominator, which is 4 plus x square here, what is the differentiation of 4 plus 2x? Oh, sorry, 4 plus x square is 2x. But what I have? 4x, not 2x. So I split 4 into 2 part, 2 into 2. 2 I have taken out, 2 I remained inside. I kept it inside. So now if I say the differentiation of the denominator is present in the numerator. So now I can write here, in place of this integral, ln 4 plus x square, right? This is what we have seen here. So now once I got this, I have to apply limit 0 to 1 here. So after that, I'm simply applying limit. You can see when you write here 1, it is 2 minus 1 is 1. When you write here 1, 1 square is 1, plus 4 is 5. So we do what? Upper limit minus lower limit. So this is my upper limit value, now minus, and these are my lower limit. So I substituted this 0 here and here. So when I substituted 0 here, it is ln 2. You can see it. When I substituted 0 here, it is ln 4. So this is how I got this line. After that, I just expand the bracket, and you know ln 1 is equals to 0. So I have written here 0, the first term. And then I am applying power law, 5 square, which becomes 25. Minus minus is plus in this case. 3 I am applying as a power law, so it will become 8. Similarly here, 16. Now law of law of logarithm, we know, where we have plus between logarithm, these terms multiply. When it is minus, it divides. So exactly like that I have written here. So I hope you understood this question. If you need any further clarity, you can write in the comment box. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please press like and subscribe button for encouragement and share it with your friends. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.